If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so first to the face, I hear the voice, and you don't know say a KOGENCY, but the KOGENCY Reacts channel. And today, we have loose M17 with drills. Now, we done had welcome to Moscow. We done had a hop out. Dog, I know we have drills. M17. Bro, I'm ready, bro. You know I'm ready, man. You know some ready like Freddy from Time Them for Daddy. Jesus Christ. So, like Heady. Up to the bop like Desi. Aye, murder my mind like Nines. I'm guessing murder my mind like Melly. Low. More low. Yo. That's from the birthday reaction I just did yesterday, bro. It's still sucking on my head. So loose. Hopefully I can make the drills. No. Don't let any drills get stuck in my head, bro. I don't want to turn into a driller and then I go off and end up in pen and all them someday. Just give me a nice song, please. You understand? But yo, hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments. Tell me what you want me to react to next. Tell me anything in the comments, bro. I reply to all the comments. Even the hate comments, bro. I still reply because y'all niggas can't do shit. But yo, let me start it. What's up, your mama? Run down your blood clot. Blood clot. Pussy. Blood clot. Keep around, put my gun, then play batty boy. Anyway, if you don't know that video, Ush.
Yo, let me tell you how I feel. I redo drills, can't come to the block, them rules won't heal. That's where juice gets spilled. I'm out for the block, I'm just keeping it real. Still, you know how much ops we built.
Sure, the song just a start and then one fuck up. Hey, go on again.
Yo, let me tell you how I feel. I redo drills, can't come to the block, them rules won't heal. That's where juice gets spilled. I'm out for the block, I'm just keeping it real. Still, you know how much ops we built. Don't be the next pack of your Marjay ill. Still.
Bro, that melody is going like that's going off right now, fam. And I like this bass. It sounds different.
Yo, I redo drills, can't come to the block, them rules won't heal. That's where juice gets spilled. I'm out for the block, I'm just keeping it real. Still, you know how much ops we built. Don't be the next pack of your Marjay ill. Still, you know man's out for the kill. Yo, let me tell you how I feel. I redo drills, can't come to the block, them wounds won't heal. That's where juice gets spilled. Bro had the dots and nilled. Got, he can tell you how it feels. Lean with a brrr until pull up, we get pilled. He can tell you how it feels. Lean with a brrr until pull up, we get pilled.
Pull up with the brrr. It feel pull up like grrr.
Got, he can tell you how it feels. Lean with a brrr until pull up, we get pilled. Neeks, nerds. See him, purge, burst in the back of your head, that shit must hurt. That's why I gone we lurk. We chicken him once, we chicken him again. I guess we couldn't find your friends, but we chicken him again. I brother don't take no offense. Bro's just a violent member. Dishing out smoke like the 5th of November. Guy thoughts don't cross that border and get so caught.
What's on the 5th of November? Remember, I'm not from the UK, bro, so I don't know what I go on the 5th of November. Or is it like, am I just being dumb? Is the 5th of November some big thing? I'm not sure, man, but let me know.
A violent member, dishing out smoke like the 5th of November. Guy thoughts don't cross that border and get so caught. I go what I want, I guess you wanna hear that more.
Aye, let me get this straight. I'm Lucy, I'll go where I want. Anytime, any place. Should've told me I'm wearing a vest, so I could've just stabbed man's face. Hey, he been telling you, bro, he goes where he wants. He does what he wants. He does what he wants. Lil M17, he does what he wants. Sorry.
They don't take no offense. Bro's just a violent member. Dishing out smoke like the 5th of November. Guy thoughts don't cross that border and get so caught. I go what I want, I guess you wanna hear that more. Got the orders, got full for the cause. No, we don't.
Once I guess you wanna hear that more. Like, yes, bro. Yes, that's why I sang it. I wanna hear it again. Tell me again, say go where you want.
Course, I go what I want, I guess you wanna hear that more.
Yes.
Got the orders, got full for the cause. No, we don't show no remorse. What's on decks, of course. You ever seen a man restore? Not for the force. Yo, let me tell you how I feel. I redo drills, can't come to the block, them rules won't heal. That's where juice gets spilled. I'm out for the block, I'm just keeping it real. Still, you know how much ops we built. Don't be the next pack of your Marjay ill. Still, you know man's out for the kill. Yo, let me tell you how I feel. I redo drills, can't come to the block, them rules won't heal. That's where juice gets spilled. Bro had the dots and nilled. Got, he can tell you how it feels. Lean with a brr until pull up, we get peeled. In Joe, you can't ask for him.
Fam, you can tell this man has been inside, you know, the man is fully in the fitness thing. Look at it.
Until pull
man's doing the pull-ups, man.
Get peeled. In Joe, you can't ask for him from. Like, what do you mean? You fucking ink this lid from the tuna, make a man leak. Let's see how you breach, I put him to sleep.
Wait, so Luz, so what if I met you as my new friend in prison, bro? I can't ask you where you're from? Alright, bro, I ain't gonna ask you, bro. I ain't gonna ask. I'm sorry. But I'm not going to prison, so I really shouldn't care.
Until pull up, we get peeled. In Joe, you can't ask for him from. Like, what do you mean? You fucking ink this lid from the tuna, make a man leak. Let's see how you breach, I put him to sleep.
Man said this lid from the tuna will make you leak. You're damn right, bro. Don't cut me with no lid from no tuna can, fam.
You mean you fucking ink this lid from the tuna, make a man leak. Let's see how you breach, I put him to sleep. And I keep this energy for use in the note. Tell a 40 to link at the bar and I put on my mothers with done in your dance.
Oh, he just said nom. My God. That beef ain't dying no time soon.
This energy for use in the note. Tell a 40 to link at the bar and I put on my mothers with done in your dance. We caught two pagans together, they ran different ways, so we done them apart. Far from an angel, blood on my palms.
Oh my God, they run different ways, so we done them apart. Jesus Christ.
We caught two pagans together, they ran different ways, so we done them apart. Far from an angel, blood on my palms. I sung my heart, got the bloodiest arm.
Far from an angel, blood on my palm, from angels, yeah.
Ways, so we done them apart. Far from an angel, blood on my palms. I sung my heart, got the bloodiest arm. And it's 38 takes, it's special. It's all mad when we fill up the rental. Blood on gory violence, this one's 18, far from parental. Heard that there's ops on the block, I broski, I ain't tryna hear that. Now I'm on some, now gripping it bareback. Yo, yes, I'm the one they fear at. But they ain't gonna tell you that they got rapping vids and sell you cap. No, darling, it's a G and that's what you mean I didn't bail you back. Your man was an up, I ain't trusting that. But babe, same time you can hold this, so I put do it like you'll be there and make it clap. Man, I'm rating that. That boy got multiple wounds, but everyone knows, so I ain't gonna tell you that. Let me tell you how the man then made it slap. Facts, I don't bump into Jack. Calling the bros on wiki business. Let me tell you how I feel.
No. There's no way you just kept. You didn't even breathe. My nigga just kept speaking. My nigga just kept rapping. He didn't even take a time to take a breath. And he just going to talk about, let me tell you how it feels. Let me tell you how I feel, bro. I need a break. I need to take a deep breath. God, dog. Listen, bro. Listen to how this man did not even breathe for like 16 bars on my life. I swear on my life. Listen.
And it's 38 takes, it's special. It's all mad when we fill up the rental. Blood on gory violence, this one's 18, far from.
I guess that's why I said 38 takes, cause 2 16s, 38. Wow. Maybe, I'm not sure, but listen, I think it's from here, it's going off. I'm not going past it anymore though.
My mothers have done in your dance. We caught two pagans together, they ran different ways, so we done them apart. Far from an angel, blood on my palms. I sung my heart, got the bloodiest arm. And it's 38 takes, it's special. It's all mad when we fill up the rental. Blood on gory violence, this one's 18, far from parental.
Listen.
Heard that there's ops on the block, I broski, I ain't tryna hear that. Now I'm on some, now gripping it bareback. Yo, yes, I'm the one they fear at. But they ain't gonna tell you that they got rapping vids and so.
Or maybe he took a little breath right there.
Gripping it bareback. Yo, yes, I'm the one they fear at. But they ain't gonna tell you that they got rapping vids and so you cap. No, darling, it's a G and that's what you mean I didn't bail you back. Your man was an up, I ain't trusting that. But babe, same time you can hold this, so I put do it like you'll be there and make it clap. Man, I'm rating that. That boy got multiple wounds, but everyone knows, so I ain't gonna tell you that. Let me tell you how the man then made it slap. Facts, I don't bump into Jack. Calling the bros on wiki business. Let me tell you how I feel.
Hey, let me know in the comments if he sounds like Do-Road on this song in a couple parts or just in general. Cause I'm hearing a lot of Do-Road. Not saying he's copying Do-Road, but he remind me of Do-Road on this song.
I redo drills, can't come to the block, them wounds won't heal. That's where juice gets spilled. I'm out for the block, I'm just keeping it real. Still, you know how much ops we built. Don't be the next pack of your Marjay ill. Still, you know man's out for the kill. Yo, let me tell you how I feel. I redo drills, can't come to the block, them wounds won't heal. That's where juice gets spilled. Bro had the dots and nilled. Got, he can tell you how it feels. Lean with a brr until pull up, we grr, get peeled.
Hey. Grr. M17. Get
peeled.
Grr. Just hearing that echoed grr in my ear, bro, does make me want grr. I swear, fam. I swear. Wow. Loose. M17. My mic has been. I think my mic hates me today, bro. I've been shouting in my mic all day and he's pissed off. Let me stop shouting. Alright, but yo. Loose drills. Dog. what am I trying to say? I was thinking about the other two songs and comparing them to drills. And like, fam, the man dropped 3, like, over 8 out of 10 songs, bro. Like, Welcome to Moscow, probably what, 8.5 out of 10. Hop Out, definitely a 9 out of 10. And this probably another 8.5. Dog. I don't know if when Luce was inside, he saw everybody in the rap game killing it. 'Cause I remember when he went inside, he was kind of starting to have a little, build up. And then him there for do a little time. But I think him serious now. He's like, fam, I'm coming back for the throne. But him just need to do some more promotion. Because I didn't know this was dropping until today. I didn't even like see it. In terms of like on Instagram or anything, I had to be like scrolling on Pressplay to find it. But yo, let me know what you think about it in the comments. Hit that like or dislike button. And yeah, tell me anything in the comments. Can I reply to all the comments. So KOGENCY and KOGENCY rocks. Try I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace. Oi.
Yeah. Slip the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love